voice to go mute.
Okay, then how is it speech?
Start. Seems
Oh,
like a
to
fun
talk.
game.
Sir, it will speech now. Text to speech. You said.
So if you're on me, oh, you will talk. You guys need to move.
Talk, person. Talk.
Oh wait, yeah, I'll put it.
What you put?
Put your color from it.
No. Change color.
Color, change color.
Color change.
तुम लोगों ने सबका थोड़ी थोड़ी लोगों का ऑडियो डिफरेंट क्यों आता है
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Did everyone can hear? It's fine only.
Okay, gotcha. Yep.
हेलो
Ah,
हेलो
hello. Let's go.
Oh, jumping doesn't take stamina.
What's going on?
Are you carrying me?
Hold the open door. I'm not a full thing. This is echo.
Catch something.
There's some valuable here. No. Oh, valuable.
Dude, there's nothing here.
Oh, go back.
Dude, someone died.
Who died? Yo, he's shooting. This guy is shooting. One on. वहाँ पे Just go back.
अरे
I just peeked.
That's not what
मेरे पीछे पड़ गया dude for some reason. डिफेंड करना मुझे
Dude.
अच्छा बन गया वापस अच्छा
इसका सर ये
भाई इतना
Wait.
अरे पाप कर रहा पीछे से वो
I'm getting revived.
Yo,
लेकिन सुबह इंशाल्लाह
Dude, I thought the game didn't even start. We were just setting which stage.
Slicing around in the lobby.
We'll see if this guy can get in.
Okay. Good item.
Dude.
GG.
Yeah.
Easy, sinister.
I hit behind.
How did you kill them?
Take the head and keep it inside.
Who killed him?
How do I revive?
Oh,
Yeah, that's the guy who shoots. That's the guy who
What the hell just happened?
welcome to my life. Repo for this. 2 seconds and I just peeked and some guy headshot me.
बहुत एनिमल गेम लग रही है
इधर ये माइनस में हो गया इससे मेरा सब कुछ थोड़ा पूरा कर रहा है कुछ सामान नहीं लाते
I found 1400 per glass.
Oh, you know some of the value.
One crack.
Easy.
Easy.
Nice. Yeah.
Get on, fuckers.
Something is happening. I'm going.
Wait, man, I don't see any place to get on.
अरे मैं फंस गया उसके अंदर.
You have to get inside that.
I don't know
You guys can. Oh dude.
Hello.
We're back, more.
We're back.
Hello.
Someone dead.
Hello.
Time to play the game.
I'm here. Hello.
The easy carry को बड़ा पे
Yep. Easy guy.
नीचे वापस घूम रहा है. नीचे उतर. अरे वो करेगा until you try to grab it. Whoever tries to grab it उसको attack करेगा. मर गया कोई. Whoever tries to attack it उसको मारेगा.
Finish.
Don't try to hold it. ये पिक्चर देख छुप के बैठ गया. अरे और पीछे से आया. I got it. Yo. This is shooting guy. ये कौन है? Who are you?
What do you want?
Okay, you're Malok. Dude, everyone is different in this game. Okay.
Someone needs to be.
Oh, dude. Bug. Just run.
Mr. Sister, can you hear me? Shooter. What do you want, you fucking duck? Yo, come. Crouch. This guy's here only, okay? I think let's just follow him. Come to me. See this guy, will he shoot if you're crouching? I think he's blind, dude.
He is blind. He is blind, but you're going a little too close.
What's there on the screen?
Taxman.
तो वो लाइट इतना कम है मेरा स्क्रीन में भी एकदम पूरा ही नहीं लगा था गेम के अंदर ही
गेम को फुल ब्राइटनेस पे खेलना पड़ेगा
Should I actually increase? I don't know.
हाँ मैंने इंक्रीज किया थोड़ा बेटर है ताकि गेम से भी कुछ होगा ना ब्राइटनेस बढ़ाने का
What is it? Light distance?
my brightness is full and still
Come
slow.
on.
हॉट गामा एंड ऑल है
Dude, no. What did you
I think
increase?
the level is over. All he needs to do is extract.
my laptop brightness I increased it
Oh my god.
Dude, how do you
What?
deal with this guy, dude?
Those 2 days when I didn't come on Discord, I was at least getting smarter. All that work is just gone in that sentence. Yeah, we've collected everything there is to collect.
Yeah, that's what.
There's
अपने
no,
को
like-
extract करना है बस like he just needs to carry the crate outside. Okay, he's dead.
He's blind. I like
What the fuck is that, bro?
that guy is a blind man, okay?
Yeah.
क्यों भाई मैं लास्ट टाइम कैसे मरा मैं क्राउच किया तो वो बंदा ने गोली मार दिया मेरे को उधर
Yeah, I know.
I mean, a blind man can take a
Dude,
blind
the
shot.
way-
ये बिग जी 600 की वैल्यू लेके आया था आते आते 300 हो चुकी है 50% डिप्रिसिएशन
Less than half.
ऑलरेडी अभी रखने में 200 और जाएगा देखियो
Nothing.
Oh,
I think,
wow.
yeah. What's the point of tutorial? But where is the envelope thing?
अब चला गया ना
In the screen on the bottom. That's all.
बस स्टार्ट करना था मैं मतलब और कुछ करना नहीं
Yeah,
था
that's all.
Yeah,
Really
yeah.
मैं आइटम लाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ मैं मिल ही नहीं रहा आइटम मैं समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या है वो बस
So heads collect करके कार्ट में डाल रहा था.
This is the shop.
ओ दिस इज शॉप सब खरीद लो
Finally.
तो -3000 ऑलरेडी फकर
Dude, stop buying.
आई डिड नॉट बाय एनीथिंग
Hmm.
एनर्जी क्रिस्टल
Oh, we can buy another card.
टॉप में ग्रेनेड
Magazine?
इट्स 47 पे
एक्सप्लोसिव माइंड रोड माइंड दैट विल गो अगेंस्ट अस
Dude,
maybe we just buy heal
who is this? Who pressed button?
संडास
Who are you?
I did. But nothing happens. Yes. Whatever you want to buy, you place it here and then you press that button.
Don't buy anything, fucker.
What the absolute fuck is this? क्या कर रहा है?
नहीं पता नहीं ट्राई कर रहा
Buy
हूँ
or not? Wadok is my bitch now.
Fucker all.
What is happening?
क्या?
इधर
Who wants to buy Wadok?
बैठो
Who wants to buy Wadok?
Dude,
इधर
Buy Wadok.
इसमें घुसो अंदर घुसो
What's up, Wadok?
dude, I can see that guy. Oh, can I not get off? Dude, let me go. Let
You
me
are my
go.
bitch now.
Let me go.
अविरल भी इधर आओ इधर आओ अविरल भी इधर आओ
अरे इधर मतलब कहाँ इधर
पीछे पीछे आओ इसमें बैठो बैठो अरे सबको बिठा दिया बैठो ना आप अंदर जाओ
Dude, it takes your health away. Don't. Oh,
और -12 पे दिखाया कुछ वही क्या कर दिया आप लोगों ने भाई
जस्ट क्या डाला है यहाँ पे ओए हीरो
What?
ओए
dude,
you bought something
I
Dude,
didn't.
okay, you bought something.
This CX.
I tried to buy something. Dude, I just
Who the fuck bought gloves?
मैंने कोई भी आइटम दिया फेंक दिया उस पे.
Dude,
Bhai, अरे
Oh, dude, someone died.
minus 50k. Please stop. I don't want to go into
bye
debt.
bye.
Dude,
happening
happening, dude.
Dude, I got
You know, fucking around.
dude.
Big G is my bitch now. Wait, I will put him where he belongs.
No, Sinister.
I come with you. I flush him. Put him inside. I flush him.
Someone shockwaved me also.
Okay.
Good stuff, Sinister. Good stuff. Okay. I think we G.
Yes.
More item to be buy.
We have no cash.
अरे मार कसम. Okay, the million.
Come in, guys. Come in. Just come in.
What is in?
Dude, one of us is missing. No?
Could be Abhi only.
Fucker, I died.
Where is Abhi?
तो अभी वो ये क्या है?
All
Oh.
are here.
है मेरा हाय रिटर्न
What is this energy thing we bought?
Where is it?
This, no? Here.
Energy किस-
It's loading up, no? Something is loading up.
Something is loading up.
Maybe once it fills
I
up.
think energy crystal के कारण you get more stamina. Like your stamina replenishes faster. No? Because
आई थिंक गाइस अपने को यहाँ पे मैसेज पे क्लिक करना ताकि अपन कहीं से ऐसे रिटर्न की तरफ हम चलते रहेंगे वरना
Yeah. Stand in this part.
Dude, we're going.
Dude, this also. Oh no, this healing. Stand here for 10 seconds. This healing heal. What the fuck? This is the healing thing.
बहुत मारूंगा विजय, बहुत मारूंगा.
Easy.
Well played.
Good shit.
Good shit.
Let's see if CXC contributes anything in this round.
उसकी एक
Apart from taking
पूरा
30
कोडिंग में
of
लगा हुआ है ये क्या लेके आ रहे हो रिटार्ड ठीक से आओ
तेरे लेके आ रहा हूँ ना ये.
अकेला नहीं उठा पाओगे ना रिटार्ड समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि एक बार में
उठा.
और एक को बुलाओ रखो उसको बड़ा नीचे
अभी छोड़ दूँ. अरे तूने छोड़ा भाई. मेरे को क्यों बोल रहा है? कैसा बंदा है? मैं अच्छा वाला लेके आ रहा था, तूने तोड़ दिया. भाई बहुत बड़ा रिटार्ड है ये. अभी बता विक्की क्या मैं 6000 का आइटम ला रहा हूँ, अकेले लेके आ रहा हूँ, बोलता कि CXC भैया.
don't
अरे हेलो. Sorry.
What the fuck?
My god.
What?
Dude, we won't have any load. will be locked.
Don't touch this. Don't touch this.
Dude, you saw Abhi.
Oh, it's Abhi. Okay.
Retard.
Dude, how are you Insta में?
देखा मैंने बिग जी, देखा 2400 गए।
हाँ सच में dude, मैंने तो पिकअप भी नहीं किया। क्या हुआ? Oh!
Wait up. What happened? What happened?
I'm closing big G there. Don't forget to close him.
Yo, you retard. Closing big G here when I'm behind.
No, no, no.
Open it,
Oh God.
Dude, you also died, dude. Dude, I was trying to lock big G. Oh, dude, so funny, dude. I was trying to lock big G. Oh, dude, so funny.
All our values.
Oh, God, so right.
पीछे से आ गया मेरे। ये भी ठीक है। Okay, he has 1800 and
He does he?
GG.
Does.
He doesn't even have anything.
फिर तो बीच तो मरा कैसे नहीं उससे?
मैं तो था ही नहीं शुरू में, मैं तेरे पीछे था, तो जो बंद करने की कोशिश कर रहा था, मैं तो तेरे को देख रहा हूँ दरवाजा।
You were trying to close
Dude,
Oh, lol.
He's not
Okay,
taking the hit.
dude, I was
भाई
trying to lock
मर
someone.
गया क्या? लास्ट देखा मैं तो।
Wait, Sinister hasn't seen the ghost yet, right?
No. Look at him, so scared. Where is the ghost?
I don't know.
Oh, wait, we
can't
can
see
press
it
map tab
It
now.
was at the
Oh,
corner.
we cannot.
Fuck. I forgot about map only.
Oh, we had that.
Yeah, I also forgot. I just whenever realized. Yeah, but we cannot use it now.
Dude, see. For example, Sinister's picking this up. Someone else can stay somewhere else and hold it. And we
Dude,
can,
वो
like,
Sinister ने
transfer
तोड़
shit
दिया, वो 9800 का था ना, खत्म हो जाती गेम अभी।
Yeah.
आदत तो चप्पल लेके तेरे पास क्या है यार, हम तो लाइव स्ट्रीक से टूटा था थोड़ा सा।
That was the worst thing, dude.
Dude, भूगा मैं तो तेरे साथ ला रहा था। You also तूने देखा था, right?
Dude, I don't know. I need to check replay. Yeah, it's continuously roaming. I think it's not always stagnant.
Oh. I think. Oh, the gnomes are here.
What the fuck are these gnomes? What? You guy.
Sinister.
भाई ये क्या था?
GG.
So bad.
Sinister, you had one job, dude. One job.
कैसे हर बार ऐसे
तो पहले वाला भी पता इतना अच्छा था और तोड़ दिया, पता नहीं कैसे।
Oh, let's fight. We're fighting.
उधर items.
Why does he always look at me?
Oh, dude, this is 25,000 gold.
Fucker, why are you trying to kill me?
Oh. Sinister, you're out there. Oh, this is
I
perfect.
tried to pick up
Dude,
something and someone threw me.
How do you use that thing? Oh, dude.
The hammer?
Yeah.
I think
He
you just
suicided.
move up and down.
He
They're
suicided.
just throwing it somewhere.
I think if you hit the center, you explode.
कैसे करते हैं?
Yeah, I'm not sure how.
के साथ मैं peace मैं hammer of peace तो ping कह दे।
Hammer
What is happening? How did this turn into Paul Party?
king of the. I
King
like
of the
it.
losers.
I like it.
King of the losers. King of the
Sinister.
losers.
You're gone from next time.
Okay, tell password.
390 dude.
Lol.
बोला था।
Lol.
आप ये थोड़ी चेंज करेंगे। सेम पासवर्ड ही रखेंगे ना?
I can skip it actually. Dude, wait. I can't. Incorrect password again. What the fuck? 390 only, no?
LOL. Password is
Dude,
LOL.
No way, no way. No password, dude.
Why would you change? You just said you wouldn't invite again.
Dude, so bad, dude. You're so
Just
bad.
right click and join, Vadog.
I can't. It asks for password.
Okay, wait, I'll invite you one second.
Yeah, it's LOL, dude.
Shut up, dude.
LOL,
Shut
LOL
up.
password.
It's not about inviting.
invited
I
you,
need the password. This retard is changing
Let us go.
password.
Jesus.
I cannot with this guy already triggering.
भाई डेफन हो जाओ भाई वहाँ
Mhm.
Discord तो
You guys
Come
keep
on,
playing.
then.
I'll come in like 2 minutes.
अरे कार्ड खा गया हेलो वेयर इज द कार्ड
I just came. Don't ask me. It's okay.
Bro, that's
भाई कार्ड
shit.
Cart is there. Cart is there.
कार्ड खा गया वेयर इज कार्ड
Cart is there, I know. The cart is right outside this room. We can bring the cart in. Come.
ये $900 का सामान लेके घूम रहा मैं 890 हो गया
चलो. I'll just put the cart here. Put the cart here. I think one of us died. We need to get the head.
Yeah, see, George, Facebook plus.
Oh, we can do this. Where is my head? Let's see. Is this one head? No. No.
your
Oh,
head.
I see one head. I got.
Yeah, basically.
Where is the other head?
Oh, she died here, by the way. Where I'm standing, the head got blasted off from there.
Vadog, on the left, the guy is on the left most likely, okay?
Oh, there's another head here.
Yeah.
Take this dog shit head.
Oh, Kami was also died. Let me get a night.
I throw it.
Where's Big G? Where is Big G? Yep.
Sayonara, Big G.
Dude, you're being sucked. Dude, you're being sucked.
No, why? It just grabbed onto you.
Yeah, that's close. Where is it? Nothing shall break. Nothing shall break. Easy.
हाँ मालूम ये लेके आया ना डेटा को
Oh, बढ़िया. Let's go. It's done. Vadog, where's?
बाकी कौन कोई मरा हुआ है क्या
Dude, am I going in the wrong
Where's
direction? He's behind
No,
me.
you're going straight. Just go straight. No, go straight. Finish the call, B.
I can just dump it here also. I didn't do anything.
Retard.
Oh, I shouldn't be inside. I
Oh,
shouldn't be
dude, you're
inside.
so bad, dude. You're so. Hey, why did we only 3 respawn? Where are the others?
I don't know how it works.
Hello, guys.
All of us are here. And,
Okay, I need to regen.
let's go.
Okay, I need to regen.
Come in that truck.
Oh,
Come
full
in that
health.
truck, Come in the truck.
Oh, full
Come in
health.
the truck. Come in the truck.
No, half health. Easy first round.
कैसा लगा भाई?
भाई वो monster पीछे ही था.
G, everyone's here?
DXC का सर लेके जो मैंने पटक दिया.
Yes.
No buying, okay? We are all full HP, I think. Oh, dude, no way. You're doing that shit again, dude.
Dude, no, dude, don't do that, please. I'm 51
Dude,
HP.
Dude, please. That
Dude, let's just buy health and let's leave.
that was a lead. Guys, that previous.
नहीं वो बढ़ो तेरे पीछे.
It doesn't do damage. Things don't do damage. The testing करता है.
नहीं, last time HP गई थी यहाँ पे. You bought something?
I got a grenade.
But see, it did damage. Oh my god.
It didn't do damage.
It didn't do damage. It's a stun grenade.
It's a.
See, बहुत
Oh, dude, okay, it's time. We started.
Oh, what is that? What is that?
ओए एचपी गया मेरा, एचपी गया। हेलो
What is happening?
कौन चूतिया है भाई जो ये किया है?
मेरा 3 एचपी चला गया गाइस।
Okay,
एचपी जाता है
I am getting scared. I'm getting scared.
एचपी चला गया मेरा। रिकॉर्ड ऑफ बहुत एचपी दिया आपको भगवान से।
Oh, guys.
ये मैंशन क्या है?
Oh!
Oh fuck!
कौन है?
Dude, I didn't mean to this time. Dude, what the fuck? Okay, you can open this also. What is inside?
Please move.
Bado, close it. Bado, look at me.
Wait, I'm looking. What? Oh, I broke that.
Close this. Close this.
Wait. Even now.
मेरे को लाइक करना।
Now tell Big G there is some ghost here.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
Close it.
हेलो
Dude, Big G.
Nah, stay there.
Come here. Wait.
हेलो रुको
What do you want?
They're not listening to me.
Fucker, close it.
Wait, see if you can close it. That way both of us can get in. Get in. Can you close it?
Come. I can
Can you
close.
close it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come, close. Counter.
Okay, wait till then.
क्या कर रहे हो? हमको करना तो कुछ.
Witchcraft. Okay, I wanna jump in? Perfect.
Oh! I'm dead.
Did you get or lose HP?
Did you lose it?
नहीं एचपी तो नहीं गया
Guys,
मेरा।
there's monsters. Don't watch out. There's a floating head. Read wolves.
Oh, cash. Cash can't get destroyed, right? Oh,
Nice.
it can. Sure. Where you come to me?
Please heal.
Where are
कोई
you?
बस गन है मैं तेरे को क्लिक कर रहा हूँ सीक्सी हो सकता है डैमेज पड़े तो ठीक है ना
Stop fucking moving, retard.
Yeah.
You can't stand by the
One
wall.
HP.
Hey,
Okay.
retard, stop looking at me, you fucking.
Okay.
I'm not healing.
Okay. Heal. What is this heal?
Dude,
This is
can you help-
negligible. Okay.
ओए ये किसने गिरा दिया? हाय ये बड़ा सा कोल्ड्रम कौन?
Guys, look at me.
Oh, this is. Oh, उधर पड़ वो पीछे पड़ गया वापस. वो बहुत खतरनाक है वो. Not me.
Dude, so, get some items and kill them.
What killed them?
1 sec.
They're breaking stuff. They're breaking our stuff. Dude, GG. They broke our stuff. Someone go, dude. I don't have HP.
Dude, I'll give you more HP, you go. That's on one
Look,
last
see, they're
time.
breaking already.
So break them first. I think we need them first. Oh, dude,
Look at him.
I'm taking it away. Careful. Left.
तोड़ दिया हमारा रोड नंबर
Put it in the cart, no?
Come push it now.
Leave it down.
Nice.
Okay, take it.
Yeah.
I will. Anyone? I hear.
Heal more. Heal. How do you heal though?
Dude,
Do you have
you
any
see the
item?
buttons on my back? The bar on the back of my head?
Yeah.
You need to select that. That's it. You'll share like 10 of your health to me.
Okay, wait. How do I
some-
select it?
I see.
Okay.
Like if you select on it, yeah, you'll.
Oh, okay. You give me HP. Okay, give me back.
No.
Please, one more. Once. Okay.
Dude, this guy has full. Take it from him, dude. This booga booga.
Let Booga.
Gnome stickta hai? If the gnomes are
What is
dead,
this?
you guys,
Oh, guys, 10,000, 10,000. Help.
Oh, dude, this is
Okay, I'm
this
here,
is
I'm
too
here,
expensive,
I'm
too
here.
hard.
I'm here. Someone
Up, up,
carry
up.
it from the back. Yep.
Up,
Let's
up,
go,
up.
let's go. Come. Let's go. Careful of the pillar.
Lift it up, lift it up.
देखे देखे ये टक्कर है पीछे
Lift it up, guys. Lift it up. Yeah, let's go. Come. Keep following. Lift it up.
Lift up, no? Lift up, no?
Yeah. Come back. Where do we need?
Dude, can I carry it on my head?
Can I carry it on my head?
I don't think so.
अगर पकड़ don't
Lift it up, guys. Up. Nice. Come.
Oh, someone else is alive, dude.
Oh, someone else is alive, dude.
Yeah. Just come. Come here, lift up. There's a table. Lift up.
I mean,
Lift up,
this
lift
can
up,
still
lift
lose
This can still lose
10, like what?
10k,
we're
like
fine.
what? 3k. We're
I
fine.
know. But we want more money so that we can buy stuff.
And do what? Fucking lose health?
And do what? Fucking lose health. That's all.
No, just nade each other.
Also, there's reverb.
Come here.
Also, there's revolve.
It's coming from this person.
Yeah, from this. Yeah.
Sinister, you dog.
Oh, sinister, you
What?
dog.
Dude, who drop? Come.
पकड़
हिडन है। इसको बोल कोई भी चैनल ज्वाइन करे, मैं इसको ऐड कर दूंगा इसमें।
Dude,
Just
who's not
lift
picking up?
Lift up, guys.
Not
Please
picking up.
lift up. Just lift
This
up.
CXE behind you has left it.
Wait, I need to add my friend. वो आ क्यों नहीं पा रहा है?
Sinister, तू उठा, 3 लोग उठा सकते हैं इसको. Yep, let's go. Just come.
नहीं, इस चैनल में नहीं आ पाएगा वो, उसके मॉड राइट्स नहीं है, रुक जा।
Come here. Lift up. Come here. Yep.
रुक जा कर रहा हूँ।
Yeah. Order.
All weird sounds on
Okay, who died?
नहीं आ पा रहा है वो।
One of us is dead, ना? No?
Ghost. हाँ
कितने का? तुम लोग लेके जाओ, मैं नहीं आ रहा है, छोड़ नहीं रहा हूँ।
I think next stage.
नहीं, तुम लोग ले जाओ ना, मैं फिर मेरे कुछ हो जाएगा।
Dude, what is this voice?
Dude, this thing slowing down the voice is also insane. That's the item effect.
Oh man. I mean, I don't see any difference in how Sinister talks. Wait, let's see Big G. He'll find these ways slowly.
Oh, 6,000 waves on CXE. He's gonna break it.
He's dragging it across the floor.
Oh, maybe further damage will be prevented with this thing.
Easy.
Well played.
Good shit.
Good shit.
Let's see if CXE contributes anything in this round.
CXE
Apart from taking 30
में
of
लगा हुआ है ये क्या लेके आ रहे हो रिटार्ड ठीक से आओ
तेरे लेके आ रहा हूँ ना ये।
अकेला नहीं उठा पाओगे ना रिटार्ड समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि एक बार में
उठा।
और एक को बुलाओ रखो इसको बढ़ाएंगे
अभी छोड़ दूँ। अरे तूने छोड़ा भाई, मेरे को क्यों बोल रहा है? कैसा बंदा है? मैं अच्छा वाला लेके आ रहा था, तूने तोड़ दिया भाई, बहुत बड़ा रिटार्ड है ये। अभी बता रही क्या, मैं 6,000 का आइटम ला रहा हूँ, अकेले लेके आ रहा हूँ, बोलता कि CXE भैया।
मैं बोला अकेला मतलब भाई एकदम अपने बॉडी से बड़ा आवाज अकेला लेके आ रहा था मैं पूरा बाकी लोग बुलाते
भाई लेके आ तो रहा था, मैं लेके आ तो गया था ऑलमोस्ट।
फेक दरी चेंज करने हो गया
भाई ये बंदे तो हो चुका है, इसको दूर करो मुझसे। मैं इतना अच्छा लेके आ रहा था।
मैं CXE आपने किस पे विश्वास करेगा आप बताओ मेरे को पहले
Right, विश्वास तो मेरे पास
Good, someone give me.
एक ही बंदा है, वो है पूरा।
Someone.
Dude, the Sinister is special grade. What is he doing here, putting everything in the cart? Dude, he's smashing.
Diamond है।
Okay.
Extract. सीधा
No,
निकलो.
Abhi, you and I will go
कुछ
separate. We'll not die.
Yeah.
Who is this? Oh, dude, that's going. It's going. Get into the truck. Get into the truck.
Hello, it's going, guys. Fatafat, hello.
Dude, this CXC. What did you do?
जल्दी आ. पिच्ची फट के से गया.
बहुत बड़ा रिकॉर्ड.
Dude, I have one.
Where are you? Are you low HP or something?
यार कोई HP नहीं दे रहा यार.
29,000. We
Oh,
didn't spend
shit.
क्या
any
बात
money.
कर रहा है CFC तेरे को और वॉडॉग को मैंने 20 HP.
बुगा ने दिया बुगा ने क्या यार.
होगा.
Okay, guys, one more thing. If we die with one extraction point,
Yeah.
put it in.
No, there are two extraction points.
No, I'm saying put our heads in the other one.
Yeah, after
Heads on the other one.
we can raise you. Yeah, after this. Come, I'll carry the cart till we find something good.
See, worthless
If you find something
CXC.
big,
You stand on that.
दे Sinister दे
Guys, if you find something big, let me know. I'll bring the cart there. Okay, we don't need to carry the big item.
एक सेकंड नहीं होगा 2 दे दे.
भाई
I mean-
सबको दिया मैंने मेरे पास पता था इसकी है
Okay.
समझ रहे हो ये देखो
There's something big. There's something very
5k
big
item, 5k.
in my pants.
क्या है वो? What is this?
Shut the fuck
क्या?
There's something very big in my pants.
Martini glass.
What is this doing to me?
Oh,
What is
dude.
this doing?
Dude,
Dude, that's a monster, dude. That's a monster. That's a monster. That's a hypno monster, dude. That's the hypno monster. It will hypno.
It's hypnotizing me.
My head is
मैं दूर करो इस चीज से क्या कर रहे हो हटाओ.
Calm down, guys.
मैं चिपक गया उससे.
Just put it in. And leave.
Dude क्या हो रहा है ये? I lost
Oh
HP.
my God.
there's a monster behind. There's a chef.
There's a frog.
Murai frog.
भाई कोई निंजा फ्रॉग आया भाई ये
Hide behind.
गामा खींची इधर आ गया भाई
Oh, there's another one. There's another one behind.
Absolute troll है, dude.
Oh,
Dude, मैं नेट लेके जा रहा था बॉस को मारने.
Dude मैंने नहीं.
Okay.
oh, dude. Oh, it's the duck.
Is that duck? Don't grab him.
But
Okay?
there's
Don't
another one.
grab
There's
him.
another one there. Oh, never mind.
Yeah,
इससे
don't
क्या
grab
होता
them.
है?
Just don't grab
What
them.
happens if I do
Just
this?
don't grab them.
Dude कुछ भी चले जाएगा मैं.
Wow, I'm 2 HP now. I'm 2 HP. I am.
बिग जी आइए ऊपर हेल्प चाहिए थोड़ी
Ah, that helps. A request for help sounds very suspicious.
आराम से.
One Sinister is dead, like the game's gotten like a lot easier. Oh,
बड़ा हेल्थ.
I feel like you can see it, but like, same logic.
तब how did Sinister die though?
Is Abhi alive?
अरे नहीं पीछे. अच्छा okay, that's Abhi. Okay.
oh my.
That's not Abhi, that's
बुगा. How Sinister died though?
There was another boss.
ऊपर करो, थोड़ा ऊपर.
Parkour. We can parkour.
अरे fucker.
अरे जस्ट गेट द कार्ट है ना इसमें कार्ट नहीं अरे ब्रदर क्या करना है कार्ट का आइटम निकालना तेरे इसमें रखते आइटम
Fuck easier. What happened?
I saw the negatives, fucker.
Dude, I was trying to help, dude.
I saw you dragging that vase also. Oh, there's someone behind.
What is that?
Oh, it's Abhi. Wait, come with me. Yeah, come with me. I'll show you something.
No, it's an animal.
Yeah, it's a duck and Abhi. You come with me. We need to parkour, okay?
Okay.
Come here.
Parkour what?
Oh wait, never mind. You can go around.
Oh!
What happened?
I fell.
Sexy. Fuck off, duck.
Oh Allah. Oh,
No, I did not touch it. I did not touch it. No, I did not touch it.
It's fine, take it. Nothing much went down. There's
No,
another one.
just bring the machine.
Yeah. Guys, I'm getting hypnotized.
Keep it. Yeah. Nice, dude.
Guys, I think level is done. First direction.
Oh. Fuck. Fuck. Oh. Fuck. Oh, dude, 42.
How the hell are you going to
Dude, wait, let's put it flat. Oh. Oh. Where did I go? Oh, dude, you can put it right here. Dude, I don't know. Did I get it broke entirely? No, it's here.
Yeah.
27.
Still worth. Oh, still worth a lot. What the fuck is like up the thing?
Yeah, oh,
Oh, it's about to crash then. It's so heavy.
leave it. Oh, dude,
No.
I got it. Every time it goes to red, you just leave it and go away or something. I have one last health. One last health. We need to go. Take it this side. Straight. This time I'm leaving it, okay, when it's closer. Can you wait? Can you wait? We'll just drag it. Yeah. Let me. Can I? Yeah, I can do it. Oh.
Oh no.
Away.
That's about.
Okay, we can go again. It resets. Come.
No, we need to fix the positioning thoda sa. Yeah, like this, and now do it. Ooh, not too late.
Oh no.
No, it didn't even. What?
No, dude, no.
How did it blow fully?
I think.
It went to yellow, and I left it.
Yeah, I think we need to gently place it.
Okay, interesting choice.
I mean, I was just curious. Learning curve. I mean, we shouldn't have broken the 42k item, me and Big G.
गाइस मैं तो लगता है बोलने का समय आ चुका है
मुझे जाना पड़ेगा
गाइस मैं तो लगता है बोलने का समय आ चुका है
मुझे जाना पड़ेगा मेरे लोग वेस्ट कर रहे हैं
उनको बोल दो कि कुछ सामान बचा नहीं है और कुछ है नहीं सब मर चुके हैं किसके मुंडे के हाथ खिला